Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this DeLonghi espresso machine repaired. Pretty much what we did is it stopped running water through the group head and through the hot water spout, so we went and replaced the pump from 2013, so you got 10 years out of it before it started breaking down. We went in there, replaced that, and we don't have a portafilter here, so we can't test espresso, where we are going to test water coming out from here and the steam wand. So first we're going to start with the group head. There's your water coming out. I'm going to test hot water. Also working well. Then we are going to test the steam wand. And we're going to test the steam wand. And that is about it. Thank you for the repair. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.